Today I am going to discuss an important topic that is known as CRO, అంటే నథింగ్ బట్ cathode ray oscilloscope అంటామండి. అంటే it is an electronic device having a terminal known as CRT, and it is used to produce a visible light or pattern or a graph electron beam is used to incident on fluorescent screen. Basic మామూలుగా డెఫినేషన్ అంటే నథింగ్ బట్ ఏంటంటే ఇట్ ఈస్ యూస్ టు emit a visible light that is used to incident on particular fluorescent screen. That is nothing but CRO. In CRO, it is used for to measurement of time, frequency, as well as amplitude. CROs are of two types: analog as well as digital. In analog, it mainly exclusively used in various applications. Nothing but vertical amplifier, horizontal amplifier, time-based circuit, blanking circuit, all comes under together to perform analog. Whereas digital, it may be used by software, various softwares, as well as hardware analog, hardware modules that are get together to process a on display reading. Okay, whereas in this basically it having so many components. First one, it is known as vertical amplifier. Nothing but in this the input signal is going to amplify the signal. At a time, it is used to provide sensitivity to oscilloscope, that is in terms of volts per division, and input in this the vertical we are represents y, nothing but it is a position origin portion for this vertical amplifier. It is used to provide gain for the circuit. Another one is trigger circuit. It is used to provide trigger pulse and provide a uniform amplitude, whereas it is used to provide or maintain synchronized input signal. Another one is a time-based circuit. In this time-based circuit, we are using a transistor. Nothing but the transistor, you are applying an input and we are measuring output across capacitor. Like that, a resistor has been connected, a power supply has been connected. In this, it is used to provide a ramp output voltage at the output, that is known as time-based circuit. The ramp output is again given to horizontal amplifier nothing but it is used to amplify the signal, nothing but it provide a exportion graph for the signal. Another one is blanking circuit, nothing but it is used to provide a blank pulses so that the output of CRO in this, the noise or ripples are been reduced, whereas so that we can obtain a clear picture in TVs. Another one is delay circuit, nothing but it is used to hold the particular data, whereas another one is calibration oscillator, nothing but it works an electronic oscillator. It mainly used in microcontrollers, or it may be used in oscillators in order to minimize the noise. Okay, whereas in this we are having a fluorescent screen, nothing but it made up of fluorescent material, nothing but phosphorus, nothing but it is used to emit the light, visible light, while observing kinetic energy of electrons. Another one is electron gun, nothing but it acts as a core point for a CRO in order to emit the electrons. Okay, next I want to simplify as much as CRO. In this, some important common points are there, that is in electron gun we are having emission, nothing but it acts as a thermo ionic emission, nothing but it is used to emit electrons. In this cathode are being taken as heater, so that by heating it is used to emit electrons. Another one is control grid, nothing but it acts as a negative terminal. It is used to control the entire brightness as well as intensity control. Another one is acceleration anode, nothing but it acts as a positive terminal, nothing but it is used to generate high energy for the signal. Another one is focusing anode, nothing but it is used to tight the entire spot size of the visible light. Another one is display, it is used to provide horizontal as well as vertical plates to display visible light on fluorescent screen. In this we are having entirely it is a CRO. In this mainly it may be used in various applications, scientific as well as engineering applications, it may be used basically the CRO. And there I want to cover a little bit, and the diagram means nothing but we are having a cathode terminal, nothing but it is an electron gun, In this, the light ray are being transmitted by using a control grid. The light ray again passes to focusing anode. The light ray again passes through plates, that is vertical amplifier, another one is horizontal amplifier. Later the light ray is focused on fluorescent screen. These are being observed. Vertical amplifier nothing but y axis, whereas horizontal amplifier means x axis. In this we are measuring channel 1, channel 2, that is volts per division, whereas time per division in terms of microseconds as well as milliseconds is 10 power minus 3, microseconds is 10 power minus 6. Entire it may be used in scientific as well as engineering applications. Okay, this is the basic CRO. Entire this was discovered by German physicist in the year 1897 by Fernand Brand, scientist. Okay, early CRO was discovered. Okay, this is the topic about CRO.